So in Fresno, California, just finished repairing a garbage disposal here. We got some water running, so I'll talk a little bit later. All we did here is drop all the waste assembly. So got a nut here, here, and then of course the trap nut, and then just drop the whole assembly out. This was filled full of potato peels, and the garbage disposal was filled full, so it wasn't draining. Garbage disposal itself, as you can see on the side right here, it's split and rusted through. So that's going to leak. I'd put a pan underneath there. When you're running water down it, you can see right now water's kind of weeping out of it. If you were to turn it on with water on, it's going to spin against the outside housing and it's going to leak even more aggressively. So I'd keep a pan underneath this just to catch the extra water coming out of there. I did let the tenant know that you know, that needs to be replaced, but all they wanted to do was just be able to just the functionality. And so you know, we pull everything apart, put it back together. Disposal is remounted the way that it was, tightened back down. This nut was split when we got here. You can see a little crack right there. Not a big deal. I mean, as long as you don't get something backing up this way, you should be all right. That could be replaced. You know, if you want to do further repairs, I'd recommend garbage disposal replacement, and then go ahead and get that nut replaced, or just repipe everything here. Get a telescoping kit, new tubular P-trap and whatnot. But our scope of work is just get this thing back online and running. And so we've done that. Went ahead and hit the reset button up here. And so the garbage disposal is working. I would recommend not putting anything down or using it that much. It's going to transfer water from the dishwasher over to the garbage disposal, and that's fine. But like I say, you still got that crack right there. So just keep a tray underneath here, and you should be fine. Outside of that, this service call is done.